Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on using keywords in your research. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to narrow a research question or topic into a set of 2 to 4 keywords that can be used to conduct a search in a library database. Let's get started. When you're doing research in a database or on the library website, it's helpful to keep in mind that research databases often do not function the same way that popular search engines like Google do. Let's say my research question is, does using social media negatively impact teenagers' mental health? If I were searching on Google, I could copy and paste that question, word for word, into the search bar. However, our library website functions a bit differently. You will get the best search results in the library website if you break your research question up into a set of keywords. In this case, social media, teenagers, and mental health. When coming up with keywords, it's best to eliminate question words, articles like the or a, and any other words that are unnecessary for your search. You want to remove any words or phrases that do not directly inform the research topic. It's a good rule of thumb to come up with 2 to 4 keywords for a research question. If you come up with less than 2 keywords, you will likely have too many results. And if you come up with more than 4 keywords, you will likely have not enough results. Let's return to the research question. Does using social media negatively impact teenagers' mental health? I'm going to start by eliminating the word does. This is a question word and does not directly relate to the research topic. The words using and impact are both not specific enough to make a difference in my research, so I will remove those words as well. I'm going to remove the word negatively because I don't want to bias my results. I want to see all of the research, positive and negative, so that I can adequately answer the research question. This leaves social media, teenagers, and mental health as my keywords. I'm going to use the database Academic Search Ultimate to do a keyword search on my topic. You can access Academic Search Ultimate from the A to Z database list on the Quick Links menu in the bottom left corner of Shapiro Library's homepage, but the search techniques I'm using in this video will apply in most of our other databases as well. I'm going to input my keywords into the search bar at the top of the page and connect the keywords using AND. So I will type social media and teenagers and mental health. This AND tells the library website that I am looking for articles that mention all of the words in my search. This will give me a list of relevant results on this topic. However, you are always welcome to add or change your keywords to better fit your search. If you have any questions about library resources, feel free to reach out to our library team via chat on the Shapiro Library homepage or by email at ask@snhu.libanswers.com. Thanks for watching this video, and good luck with your research!